In this video, we're going to talk about how we can create dice in Scratch, but what we're really learning behind this is how to create randomness in this. So the first thing that you can see I did is I made a variable which is die, the singular term die1 for the dice. And what I simply want to do is I want to set my dice. If I come down to operators here, to pick a random number. Now there's 6 numbers or 6 sides to a cube or die. So we're going to pick a random number from 1 to 6. So what we're going to notice is nothing really happens here. If you come over to my costumes now, you're going to see I already made a black square with the die using my paint tool here. So we're going to actually change this to 1 to 2 for this because I only have 2 costumes. Now, I'm going to say, hey, if my variable die equals 1, meaning if that 1 is chosen, so if that variable, again, I'll bring that in, die1 equals 1, well, obviously what I want to do is I want to switch my costume to 1. Now, I'm going to duplicate this little section. If I want my variable to equal 2, I'm going to set my die equal to 2. So what you're going to see is I'm going to click on my green flag, and whenever the computer chooses 2 randomly, it's going to show die 2 and so forth for die 1. So it's an easy, and I could continue to come back to my costumes. I could make an easy way and duplicate this one. I could rename it here to 3. I could grab my paint tool, go to my white color, change the size of this. Let's go to 20 and maybe a little larger than that. And I'll just go up to 50 and we can get the general idea. And I could make my die 3. Again, I would choose to do this on my own to make it a little bit better than that, but I could then duplicate my coding to say 3, change it to costume 3, and now I want to pick a number 1 through 3. So I ran my program and we could see there's my third one that appears. So it's, again, just we're learning how to program randomly. I'll do another video to explain what we can do with those variables there.